What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stand Up J Square Photography, bringing you back another video today. Ah. Yes, as you've seen in the thumbnail, guys, I was able to get 2 Valentine's Day shoot at the same location at the same exact time. So this was what this BTS is going to be all about. It's just going to show you what I did on that photo shoot. I was trying to get this out on Valentine's Day, but guys, I just kind of fell asleep on editing the whole entire video. It is what it is, so you're getting it out right now. Now, the reason why I was able to get 2 shoots at the same time, or 2 models at the same time, was simply because Laura, I shot her before. We had this plan like probably like a month ahead of time, and then like maybe 3 days before our shoot, she was like, yo, I just don't want to shoot no more. I want you to shoot my friend instead, because, or slash friend cousins instead, because she's trying to get into modeling and this is going to be our first photo shoot. So I'd rather just go ahead and give it to her, and then you can just kind of do something later. And I was just like, yo, I can shoot both of y'all. It's not a real big deal if it's going to be in the same place. It's not a big deal. I can shoot both of y'all. So this is how it just came about, was me able to shoot 2 of the models at the same location at the same time. It's just like, it was really just like last minute situation. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and jump right into the photo shoot. Now, guys, just to go ahead and give you a so like I said, man, Jay, this was her first time modeling. It was her first time like getting a professional photo shot done, and like I said, she's just really trying to get into this. So anyway, I just kind of started off with both of them together because I kind of felt like that would be like just trying to help her get her comfort zone, since it was her first photo shoot. So what I just decided to do was just go ahead and try to shoot them together, just so Jay can get comfortable. Now, Laura, she's been modeling for a good grip, man. She knows all her poses and all her angles. So like, it was just the focus of just trying to really get her to get comfortable, since it was her very first time, as you can see right here. Again, guys, just taking a couple little shots, you know what I'm saying? Just like I said, they want to do it together, so that's why I guess kind of started off just doing it together and just trying to get in these photos. And we started off in the kitchen. Now, as you can see, I went ahead and started shooting Jay right after this. Actually, I really shot Laura first, to be honest. I just didn't take video of that because, like I said, we had music playing. I didn't know what I was going to do, if I was going to make a video or not, because I didn't do a proper intro. So then, like, after I shot Lauren first, I actually really shot her first. Then I was like, all right, I'm just gonna go ahead and just have some video, and then I'll just figure out from there, right? So as you can see right here, now what I'm just doing is just kind of just giving her poses, ideas, or whatever the case may be. Like I said, she's kind of really of a natural, so it wasn't really that difficult. It's just really kind of micro managing her, just to kind of do certain things and just kind of really tell her, again, this is her first time show. So I was really vocal of just trying to tell her certain things, or whatever the case may be. But as far as her posing wise, she was actually very well and just doing it now. Now, I know you can't see because there's a plant right there, but I try to take advantage of the sign that you can see the photos coming up right now. There's like a little sign, neon sign, that I try to take advantage of. And that's what I kind of done. Now I just went ahead and just kind of switch angles right here. Now I got her I'm shooting her straight ahead, and I just kind of got her doing full body shots right here. Again, she's pretty tall, actually. I think she's like 5'7" or somewhere in that range. So I just kind of decided to sit right here and just kind of, you know, just do some photos head on with her and just really try to take advantage of that. Now, right after that, I went ahead and switched back to Laura again. Now we was right here in the seat here. Again, guys, Laura just had this whole entire house like really decorated to the T, man. Like, when I got there, I was like super shocked on how decorative this freaking house was, because I'm just like, yo, it's for Valentine's Day. And honestly, guys, I really thought for a second that she did all that just for the shoot. Like, when I went in, I'm just like, yo, you do all this for the shoot? And she was like, she corrected me real quick. She's like, no, she's like, I do this all the time for all the holidays. Like, all the holidays are like, I decorate like this. Like, I just over decorate all the freaking times. And her friends kind of vouched for her, and she was like, yeah, she does this all the time. So I was kind of relieved, because I really did thought for a second like she like done all this decoration just for the shoot, which was cool in turn, you know what I'm saying? Because we had a lot of options to shoot from because, like I said, the whole house was decorated. Now I really try to focus on this kitchen here. As you see right here, I love these photos that we got with her. Then what I end up doing was I was using my Photo 100 for the whole entire shoot, and then I end up using my AD 200 and put a red gel on it for a flash. You can see what the photos is coming up right now. Now with that being, after that being said, I went ahead and went back to both of them again because Laura was in a different outfit. So I went ahead and changed it, and I did right here. As you can see, it's a little bit dark right here. So what I end up doing, because I didn't like the photos because it was a little bit too much light, what I end up doing is I end up cutting off some of their lights that they had in the kitchen, as you can see right here, and then just really just focusing and using my Photo LED light and just focusing on them. And then I think I love the photos that came out a little bit better because it was a little bit more moodier, and I love how they came out. And I also did use a red flash, the AD 200 with that too, to also get that red pop onto it. So I really enjoyed those photos as you're seeing right now. So right after that, I went ahead and shot Jade again. Like I said, I was taking turns with him. I was like, because I didn't want him to get worn out, nor did I want him to get bored. So I really was trying to like shoot quickly and then take turns and just go back and forth with the two. Now again, I did use the red gel with this again, and I was really having problems because as you can see that lamp, the roses right here, it was actually leaving a big shadow on the back of her thing because of my AD 200. So I have to like reposition myself. And then I think the photos came out pretty well, to be honest with you. As you can see right here, Laura's over here. Me and her stuck in this corner, man, and I'm just trying to get shots. She's trying to get video and real stuff for her. So we was just like really kind of stuck in that corner and trying to shoot the same freaking, angle, what the case may be. And it was just really, really fun just to kind of seeing this right here, because it's like she's right there and I'm sitting right there trying to shoot over while she's trying to get the real because she liked the angle. So it was really kind of interesting there. As you can see, like I said, we're just trying to take advantage of this way, just giving out different poses, as you can see right here. Like I said, she's very, very natural. Even for her first time, she's really natural of doing this. So I was really kind of shocked by that. But she's definitely going to get a whole lot better as time goes on. Now, with that being said, guys, I told you this video was pretty quick, man. We had the music playing. I really hope you like the work. I really hope you like this video. And if you like my work, please consider yourself subscribing to my channel, guys. I'm gonna let this play out, man. And until the next video, peace.